Someone's calling you on him. I don't want to be.
You know what?
Look. Okay.
And we're doing it outside because I don't want them to get all in my house.
You know. What if I die? Oh my gosh! Get ready. No.
Straight cinnamon is toxic.
Okay, ready? Oh no.
Yep. Cinnamon challenge.
You sound like a.
Okay.
Ready? This way.
Don't die, please. We're doing it outside because I don't want them to get all in my house.
Oh my god. Kira, why are you all the way over there? It's cold. Ready? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kara didn't get in her mouth.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna die! Die to my water!
Eat snow.